Unit 5 Assessment Expressions. Type your first and last name in the box here. Now select your cycle number. Number 1. Which of the following expressions is equivalent or equal to 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8? Is it 5 to the 8th power, 8 to the 5th power, or 8 times 5? Number 2. Find the value of the power 9 to the 2nd power, 81, 18, or 11. Number 3. Evaluate the expression. Remember to use PEMDAS. 8 squared divided by 4 minus 2. Your choices are 14, 16, or 12. Number 4. Evaluate the expression. Remember to use PEMDAS. 30 plus 4 squared divided by parentheses 2 plus 6, 42, 32, or 28. Number 5. Write the phrase as an expression. The sum of 18 and a number y. 18 times y minus 18, or y plus 18. Number 6. Choose the correct phrase for the expression 4x. The product of 4 and a number x. The sum of 4 and a number x. Or the quotient of 4 and a number x. Number 7. Evaluate the expression 5x minus 14 when x equals 4. 5, 6, or 40. Number 8. The expression 12a plus 7c is the cost of admission at an amusement park for A, adults, and C, children. Find the total cost for 5 adults and 10 children. Your choices are $130, $295, or $835. Number 9. Use the distributive property to simplify the expression. 9 parentheses 2n minus 1. Your choices are 18n minus 1, 11n minus 9, or 18n minus 9. And number 10, use the distributive property to simplify the expression. 6 parentheses x plus 10 minus 5. Remember, after you distribute, you must combine like terms. Your choices are 6x plus 30, 6x plus 60 minus 30, or 6x plus 90.